Exercise 2.1 NCERT book, question number 1. If x by 3 plus 1, comma, y minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 3, comma, 1 by 3, find the value of x and y. So you can solve like this. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. So here x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. So x by 3 is equal to, here LCM is 3, 5 minus 3. So x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So 3 cancel, x equal to 2. So you will get x equal to 2. Similarly here y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So y is equal to 1 plus 2 here, y is equal to 3 by 3, so y is equal to 1. So you got the value of x and y. Now question number 2. See here, if the set A has 3 elements, set A has 3 elements, so solution here, question number 2, NCERT question number 2. If the set A has 3 elements, it means n A equal to 3. And the set B is here 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. It means n B is equal to 3. So it means n A cross B is equal to n A into n B. It means Na is 3, Nb is 3, so here 9 elements. So find the number of elements in A cross B. The number of elements in A cross B is 9. Now next question is, question number 3, see here. If G is equal to 7, 8, G is given 7 or 8, and H is given here 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2. Find G into H. So we have to find G into H. So you know that here 7, 8 into 5, 4, 2. So it means 7, 5, first 7, 5, then after 7, 4, 7, 2, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. This is the G into H, G cross H. Now find out H cross G. H cross G. So first you write H, 5, 4, 2. Now into G. G is 7, 8. So see here 5, 7. So first of pair component belongs to H. So 5, 7, 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7, 2, 8. 2, 8. So it means 5 belongs to H and 7 belongs to G. Similarly 5 belongs to H, 8 belongs to G. So first component belongs to H and second component belongs to G. See here question number 4. Here. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. So number 4 here. So P is equal to here given Mn, P is Mn, and Q is given Nm. P is Mn, Q Nm. Find out. Then here P cross Q. Find out P cross Q. So P cross Q, it means first L component will be from P. So M, here write here M and first, then N M. So here Mn, Mn, then Nn, then Nm. So here P cross Q should be here, but it is given here, it is given that P cross Q is equal to Mn and Nn. Only two elements here, two ordered pair belongs to P cross Q, which is wrong. So statement is false. Statement is false. So true. This is the correct statement. So correct statement will be Mn, Mm, Nn, Nn. So this way you have to solve the question. Similarly here, if you want to write here, if A equal to -1, 1, question number 5. Question number 5. See here, if A equal to, so solution we have A equal to -1, 1. 5. We have -1 and we have to find out A cross A. So we have, this is a question mark. We have to find out A cross A. So first of all find A cross A. So A cross A we have to write 1, 1 into -1, 1 like this. So here become -1, -1, -1, 1, 1, -1, 1, 1. Now A cross A you got A cross A. Now you have to find out A cross A. It means here you have to write -1, -1, -1, 1, 1, -1, 1, 1 into -1, 1. So see here become -1, -1, first multiply -1. So here become -1, -1, -1. Now -1, -1, multiply here 1. Now -1, this one, -1, 1, multiply -1, -1, 1, -1, 1, multiply 1. So these two finish. Now these two have to write 1, -1, -1, 1, -1, 1. This one also finish. Now here 1, 1, -1 and 1, 1, 1. So see here there are two elements here. Here two elements. So the ordered pair become here A cross A 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now A cross A become 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A. This is the way to find out A cross A cross A. This is A cross A cross A. Now question number 6 here. See here. If A cross B, we have solution. We have A cross B. A cross B. AX, A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y. Then we have to find out A, set A and set B we have to find out. So we know that the first component here, first component represents A and second component represents B. So see here, the first component here A, B, B. So it means AB. Second component is here X, here Y, here X, here Y. So it means XY. So when you will multiply A cross B, you will get this one. It means you got that A component A, set A is AB and set B is XY. Similarly, question number here 7, you try to solve. First A, then B, here C and D are given. Verify that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So try to solve these questions. I have given for homework these types of question already. You try to solve. First find out B intersection C. See here, B intersection C is 5. B intersection C is 5. A multiply 5 is equal to 5. So like this you try to solve.